Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this Japanese Mugicha. I fell in love with this tea since I tasted this tea. It's been so amazing. And there are many ways you can actually prepare this Japanese Mugicha. You can make it hot if you feel like. You can drink it cold if you feel like, but for me, I like to make it hot, especially during winter periods. And now we are in winter already, so I'll show you how I make Japanese Mugicha. Herbal drink. I mean, this is super amazing. So here is the Mugicha. You can see I've opened it already. I've started using it. Here you can see we have so many bags inside. So next I'll get a very clean jug. I just washed this jug and I will add my boiled water into this jug. I will add up hot water. I allowed the water to boil very well because I want it to extract all the herbs in this Japanese Mugicha. So next I'll take one bag and put it in the jug of hot water. I'll cover it. Mugicha, I love this drink. I love this drink. So I'll leave it this way for the next 10 minutes for the hot water to extract all the herbal contents in this amazing Mugicha, this amazing Japanese drink. You can see the water is beginning to change color. It's beginning to turn golden brown. This is super amazing. So let's allow the hot water to extract all the herbal contents in this Japanese drink, Mugicha. So friends, at this point in time, my Mugicha is ready and it's time to drink this amazing Japanese herbal drink. Amazing Mugicha. So I'm going to pour it into the cup. Wow, look at that. Amazing Mugicha. Let's drink. Kanpai. This is amazing. I love this tea. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you all in the comment section as well as see you all in my next video. Bye.